Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and it contains a very beautiful 2-in-1 hand embroidery and machine embroidery patterns. That is, I am sharing a very stylish, trendy and easy to make hand embroidery come machine embroidery patterns. Now you are guessing that why I am saying this, that because these patterns could be used as hand embroidery patterns, and at the same time you can use these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery as machine embroidery as well. So friends, and please kindly, the main purpose and the basic motive of my today's video is to persuade you, to present some very beautiful designer style hand embroidery mask ideas, and finally give you a very beautiful look that how you could also look creative at the same time by taking care of your health by wearing masks. Yes friends, these masks are not only for protection from COVID, a dangerous pandemic situation, but a lot of your other health issues, like for your best skin care. You can keep your skin protected from damaged sun rays, and you can keep your skin protected from dust allergy, and if you are going out you can also keep protected from your smoke allergy, pollen allergies, and if you have some sort of breathing issues then you can also keep yourselves protected from asthmatic issues or many other breathing problems. And friends, the thing is not only limited to this. The main purpose is to give you some basic DIY hand embroidery ideas that how you can make all these floral patterns onto your many other DIY accessories. Like you can not only make these patterns, and these are not only designs limited to face mask idea, but you can make them onto your accessories like hair bands, like hairpins, like your dresses, like your motif onto your yokes, baby frocks, and many other like mobile cases, like all over embroidery patterns. Even you can design these very funky and stylish flower ideas onto your cushion covers and pillow cover designing as well. So comment below this video and let us know that how you feel about our designs and what you find and what you want us to more sharing ideas with you. And thank you so much. Stay blessed, but don't forget to like and subscribe. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Meet you soon in my new videos. Up till then, take care.